guys, what's up? It's Train Chaser. We're doing a bike ride in the dark with my lovely editor, Bug 18.
Hey guys.
So guys, she's gonna be recording. So
he can ride with his phone only for a white. So guys, he has a red bike and he's riding in the dark right now, as you can see.
That's right.
But he's only supposed to stay in the front yard so his cousin can record him. Hey guys, so guys, if y'all are a little bit late.
No, it's not late. It's about.
He was just riding his bike.
Here, let me explain. I was riding my bike. This is my lovely editor.
And he has a red bike like this.
Called Serpent. I'm getting a brand new bike. It says Margaritaville bike. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
And he also has handle brakes. And it's really cool. So
let me do a bit. Alright, hold the camera down, Bug. So guys, here it is, a genuine Serpent bike. No chrome, no gear shift, no pedal brakes, but a kickstand. That's a new update.
Yeah.
So, Bug, I want you to go ahead, get up all the way up to the brick wall. Don't draw my tablet, okay?
Okay. Okay, Train Chaser. So, a this brick wall?
No, that wall. The one over there,
So guys, I think he's about to ride through there. Right through there. So here he is, about to jump the curb.
Oh crap.
2 minutes and 2 seconds and 22 seconds.
So guys, let's ride our bike.
So you have to have your phone for a headlight, so you still have safety.
Yep. Not riding with the helmet, proper equipment. Hey.
But you should, but.
Hey, I still got a flashlight. Follow me, Bug.
There goes Train Chaser. Train Chaser, get back here. So this is Train Chaser. So his favorite song is like something from Johnny Cash. Well, Train Chaser really likes trains, as you can hear in his name. But Train Chaser will not leave me alone about anything train. He has train phone and lights. There are actually trains on there. Train phone's actually train. I'm not kidding. I'm over here. Give us good comments on this one, guys. Give us a thumbs up. That would be really nice of y'all if y'all could do that for us.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, guys.
We're trying to get up to 50,000 likes, aren't we, Trace?
Train Chaser.
You know, we're trying to get up to 1,000 likes.
At least, and I'm rolling backwards, guys.
He's just making it look that way, you guys. So,
you want to see me climb this grade, Lainey? That hill?
One time
Go up there.
Hey guys, this is
Up a lot further.
This is him on his bike. It looks really cool. And it looks like his bike is all black spray paint.
Yeah, like the man in black. If I could sit up and scream, maybe if I had a running start.
But you guys, it's really hard for him to ride up a hill.
Maybe.
But
Mama says,
please give us 1,000 likes. 100,000 likes.
That is out here. That's what I mean.
He He's about to do a U-turn around the bend. Try to do a U-turn around. Sorry guys, he didn't do the U-turn around the bend. But he is going around the house now. I guess I'll just meet him at the back. Okay? But train chaser! Train chaser! I'm at the cars! I couldn't find you. Okay guys, so this is it for this time.
Train chaser signing off.